12th question. A boy standing on the bank of a river sees the top of a tree on the other bank at an angle of elevation 54 degree. Stepping 20 meters back, he sees it at an angle of elevation 27 degree. Find the height of the tree. Let us draw the figure at first. Let me draw the river at first. On one side there is a tree and on the other side there is a boy. His height is not given, so consider him as a point. Now he sees the top of the tree at an elevation of 54 degree. He has to look straight at first like this. Now he has to look upwards. The angle between them is 54 degree. Now he steps 20 meters backwards. From there he sees the top of the tree at an elevation of 27 degree. He looks straight at first and this is the line. And now he looks upwards. Angle between them is 27 degree. Now let us give a name for convenience. Here let AB be x and BC be y. That is, height of the tree is x and breadth of the river is y. From the right angle triangle ABC, tan 54 equal to opposite side by adjacent side, that is x by y. Now given that the value of tan 54 is 1.38, replacing we can write 1.38 equal to x by y. And we can write it as x equal to 1.38y. So we have got a relation between x and y. Now consider the second right angle triangle ABD. Again there is an angle 27 degree. Based on that, the opposite side is AB and adjacent side is BD. So tan 27 equal to AB by BD. AB is x and BD is y plus 20. So we can write tan 27 equal to x by y plus 20. And that the value of tan 27 equal to 0.51. Replacing we can write 0.51 equal to x by y plus 20. Or x equal to 0.51 into y plus 20. Multiplying we will get x equal to 0.51y plus 0.51 into 20, that is equal to 10.2. Now we have got two values for x. First of all we got x equal to 1.38y. Now we got x equal to 0.51y plus 10.2. That means both these values are equal. So we can write 1.38y equal to 0.51y plus 10.2. Taking 0.51y on the other side, we can write 1.38y minus 0.51y equal to 10.2. Subtracting, we will get 0.87y equal to 10.2. Taking 0.87 on the other side, we can write y equal to 10.2 divided by 0.87. Now we have to divide it. In the denominator, there are two digits after the decimal point, but in the numerator, there is only one digit after the decimal point. So let me put a 0 in the denominator. So let me put a 0 in the numerator. So that is equal to 10.20 by 0.87. Now the digits after the decimal point in numerator and denominator are same. So we can simply change the decimal point and we can write 1020 by 87. Dividing, we will get y equal to 11.72 approximately. Now we got the value of y. We need to find height of the tree, or that is equal to x. Height of the tree equal to x, and we have already got x equal to 1.38y. Now we got y as 11.72. So that is equal to 1.38 into 11.72. Multiplying, we will get 16.17 approximately. That is height of the tree equal to 16.17 meters. 13th question. First term of an arithmetic sequence is 28 and the common difference is -4. Write the arithmetic sequence. Find its 8th term. What is the sum of its first 15 terms? What is the sum of the first 15 terms of the arithmetic sequence -28, -24, -20, etc.? Here the first term is 28 and common difference is -4. Therefore the sequence is 28, 24, 20, etc. Now we have to find the 8th term. We know 8th term equal to first term plus 7 times common difference. Here first term is 28 and common difference is -4. So we can write it as 28 plus 7 into -4. Now 7 into -4 is -28. So it can be written as 28 minus 28 and that is equal to 0. That is the 8th term of the sequence is 0. Now we have to find sum of its first 15 terms. We know sum of the terms equal to number of terms into middle term. Here we have to find sum of first 15 terms. That is number of terms equal to 15. Now when we take 15 terms, which is the middle term, the 8th term, and we have already got that the 8th term equal to 0. So sum of first 15 terms equal to 15 into 0, that is equal to 0. Therefore sum of first 15 terms equal to 0. Now we have to find sum of the first 15 terms of the arithmetic sequence -28, -24, -20, etc. If the first term is -28, common difference is 4. Let us find the middle term at first. When we take first 15 terms, 8th term is the middle term and that is equal to first term plus 7 times common difference. The first term is -28 and common difference is 4. So we can write it as -28 plus 7 into 4. Now 7 into 4 is 28. So we can write it as -28 plus 28 and that is equal to 0. That is the 8th term or the middle term of first 15 terms is 0 and therefore sum of first 15 terms equal to number of terms into middle term, that is equal to 15 into 0 or 0. That is sum of the first 15 terms of this sequence is also 0. 14th question. PQRS is a rhombus. Angle SPO equal to 35 degree, OS equal to 6 cm. Measure of angle POS is dash. Find the area of the rhombus. Given that angle SPO equal to 35 degree and OS equal to 6 cm. Also given that PQRS is a rhombus. We know the diagonals of the rhombus are perpendicular bisectors. Therefore, measure of angle POS equal to 90 degree. Now we have to find the area of the rhombus. Area of a rhombus equal to half d1 d2, where d1 and d2 are the diagonals. So we need to find the diagonals at first. SQ is a diagonal. Given that OS is 6 and we know the diagonals are perpendicular bisectors. Therefore OQ also equal to 6 and therefore the first diagonal QS equal to 12 cm. Now the second diagonal is PR. To find it, let me consider the triangle POS. We know it's a right angle triangle. Based on the given angle 35, the given side OS is the opposite side and the side which need to find OP is the adjacent side. So let me take the ratio tan, and tan 35 equal to opposite side by adjacent side, that is OS by OP. Let me replace the values. Tan 35 is 0.70 and OS is 6. So we can write 0.70 equal to 6 by OP. Now take OP on the other side and we can write 0.70 into OP equal to 6. Now take 0.70 on the other side. So we can write OP equal to 6 by 0.70. Now 0.70 equal to 0.7. So let me write OP equal to 6 by 0.7. Multiplying both numerator and denominator by 10, we can write it as OP equal to 60 by 7. Dividing, we will get OP equal to 8.57 approximately. So we got OP equal to 8.57. We know the diagonals are perpendicular bisectors. So OR is also equal to 8.57. Therefore PR equal to 2 times 8.57. Now let us find the area. Area of the rhombus equal to half D1, D2, where D1 and D2 are the diagonals. Here the diagonals are PR and QS. So we can write area equal to half into PR into QS. Now let us replace the values. Half into PR is 2 into 8.57. So we can write half into 2 into 8.57 into QS is 12. Therefore into 12. Now half into 2 is 1. So we can write it as 8.57 into 12. Multiplying, we get 102.84 approximately. Therefore the area of the rhombus equal to 102.84 centimeter square. 15th problem. Length of a rectangle is 25 plus x meters and its breadth is 25 minus x meters. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? Find the length and breadth of a rectangle having perimeter 100 meters and area 525 square meters. Here the length is 25 plus x and breadth is 25 minus x. Perimeter is 2 times length plus breadth, that is equal to 2 into 25 plus x plus 25 minus x. X minus x is 0. 25 plus 25 is 50. So we can write it as 2 into 50 and that is equal to 100. Therefore perimeter of this rectangle is 100 meters. Now we have to find the length and breadth of a rectangle having perimeter 100 meters and area 525 square meters. Given that perimeter equal to 100 meter, we have seen in the previous part that if perimeter is 100, we can take length as 25 plus x and breadth as 25 minus x. So let the length be 25 plus x and breadth be 25 minus x. Given that area is 525, area means length into breadth. Therefore 25 plus x into 25 minus x equal to 525. We know a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Therefore 25 plus x into 25 minus x equal to 25 square minus x square. That is equal to 525. Now 25 square is 625. So we can write it as 625 minus x square equal to 525. Now take 525 on the left side and minus x square on the right side. So we get 625 minus 525 equal to x square. 625 minus 525 equal to 100. So we can write 100 equal to x square. Therefore x equal to plus or minus 10. When x equal to 10, length equal to 25 plus 10 or 35 and breadth equal to 25 minus 10, that is equal to 15. When x equal to minus 10, length equal to 25 plus minus 10, that is 15, and breadth equal to 25 minus 10, that is equal to 35. Usually we say the longer as length and shorter as breadth. So we can say length equal to 35 meters and breadth equal to 15 meters. 16th problem. One side of an equilateral triangle is 5 centimeters. Draw the triangle and draw its incircle. First of all, let us draw a line of length 5 centimeter. Now we have to draw an equilateral triangle of sides 5 centimeter. For that, take 5 centimeter in the compass and put it at one of the ends and draw an arc. Now put the compass on the other end and taking the same radius, draw another arc. Mark the point of intersection. This is the third vertex. Join that to the end of the line which we have drawn at first. So we got the equilateral triangle of side 5 centimeter. Now we have to draw the incircle. For that, let us find out the center of the incircle at first. For that, we need to draw the bisectors of two angles. For that, put the compass at one vertex and draw an arc like this. Mark the points of intersections. Put the compass at one of these points and draw an arc. Now put the compass on the other end, draw another arc. Mark the point of intersection, join that to this vertex to get the bisector of this angle. In the same way, take another angle and from that vertex draw an arc like this. Mark the points of intersections. Put the compass at one point and draw an arc. Taking the same radius, draw another arc from the other point. Mark the point of intersection. Join that to the vertex to get the angular bisector. Now both the bisectors intersect at a point. That is the incenter. Now draw the perpendicular from this point to any one side. That is the radius. And put the compass at the center and taking this distance as radius, draw the circle. 17th problem. Radius of a cone is 30 centimeters and its height is 40 centimeters. What is the base perimeter of the cone? What is the curved surface area of the cone? Here, radius is 30 centimeters and height is 40 centimeters. Base perimeter of the cone equal to 2 pi r. That's equal to 2 pi into 30, or that is equal to 60 pi centimeters. That is, base perimeter of the cone is 60 pi centimeters. Now we have to find the curved surface area. Curved surface area equal to pi rl. So we need to find L at first. We know L equal to root of h square plus r square. Here h is 40 and r is 30. Therefore, that is equal to root of 40 square plus 30 square. Now 40 square is 1600 and 30 square is 900. So we can write it as root of 1600 plus 900. And that is equal to root of 2500 and that is equal to 50. That is slant height or L equal to 50 centimeters. Now the curved surface area equal to pi rl, that is equal to pi into 30 into 50, and that is equal to 1500 pi. That is, the curved surface area of the cone is equal to 1500 pi centimeters square. 18th problem. In the figure, O is the center of the circle angle AOB equal to 120 degree, angle OCB equal to 90 degree, AB equal to 6 centimeter. What is the length of AC? Find the radius of the circle. One angle of a triangle is 60 degree and the length of the side opposite to 60 degree is 6 root 3 centimeters. What is the radius of the circumcircle? Here OA equal to OB. Therefore, triangle OAB is an isosceles triangle. We know in an isosceles triangle, the perpendicular from the vertex joining equal sides to opposite sides bisect this angle and the side opposite to it. Therefore, since AB equal to 6 cm, AC equal to 3 cm. Also, we know since angle AOB equal to 120 degree, angle AOC equal to 60 degree. Now we need to find the radius of the circle. For that, let us consider the triangle ACO. Look at angle 60. The side which we have to find is OA, that is hypotenuse, and the given side AC is the opposite side. The ratio between opposite side and hypotenuse is sine. So let us take sine 60, that is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, that is AC by OA. Now sine 60 is root 3 by 2 and AC is 3. Replacing, we will get root 3 by 2 equal to 3 by OA. Now let us cross multiply. We get root 3 into OA equal to 3 into 2. Taking root 3 on the other side, we get OA equal to 3 into 2 by root 3. Now 3 means root 3 into root 3. So we can write 3 into 2 by root 3 equal to root 3 into root 3 into 2 by root 3. 1 root 3 can be cancelled. So we get root 3 into 2, or that is equal to 2 root 3 centimeter. Therefore, radius of the circle is 2 root 3 centimeter. Now the third part of the problem, one angle of a triangle is 60 degree and the length of the side opposite to 60 degree is 6 root 3 centimeters. What is the radius of the circumcircle? Let us first draw a figure. One angle is 60 and the side opposite to that is 6 root 3. We need to find the circumradius. We know A by sin A equal to 2R, where A is a side and capital A is the angle opposite to that. Here A is 6 root 3 and angle A is 60 degree. So replacing, we will get 6 root 3 by sin 60 equal to 2R. Now the value of sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Replacing, we get 6 root 3 by root 3 by 2 equal to 2R. Now division by a fraction is multiplication by the reciprocal. So we can write 6 root 3 into 2 by root 3 equal to 2R. Root 3 and root 3 get cancelled and we get 6 into 2 equal to 2R, or R equal to 6. Therefore, radius of the circumcircle equal to 6 cm. 19th problem. A quadrilateral is drawn by joining the points 3, 0, 8, 0, 11, 4 and 6, 4. Find the length of each side of the quadrilateral. What is the appropriate name of the quadrilateral? Here the points are 3, 0, 8, 0, 11, 4 and 6, 4. 3, 0 and 8, 0 are points on the x-axis. And the other two points 11, 4 and 6, 4, the y-coordinates are same. So they are also on the same line and that line is parallel to x-axis. So we can mark the points almost like this. A and B are on the same line, C and D are on another line, and we can join it. So we will get the figure almost like this. Let us look at the rough figure at first. Now we have to find the length of each side of the quadrilateral. Let us take the side AB. It is the distance between the points 30 and 80. They are on the x-axis. Their y-coordinates are same. So the distance between them is 8 minus 3 or 5. Similarly, CD is the distance between the points 6, 4 and 11, 4. Their y-coordinates are same. So CD is equal to 11 minus 6 or 5. Now let us find AD. It is the distance between 30 and 6, 4. So we can write AD equal to root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Here the x coordinates are 6 and 3, y coordinates are 4 and 0. So we can write root of 6 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 0 whole square. 6 minus 3 is 3 and 4 minus 0 is 4. So we can write it as root of 3 square plus 4 square. 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. So we can write it as root of 9 plus 16, and that is equal to root of 25, and that is equal to 5. Now let us find BC. It's the distance between the points 8, 0 and 11, 4. Here the x coordinates are 11 and 8, y coordinates are 4 and 0. So we can write root of 11 minus 8 whole square plus 4 minus 0 whole square. 11 minus 8 is 3 and 4 minus 0 is 4. So we can write root of 3 square plus 4 square. That's equal to root of 9 plus 16. That's equal to root of 25, and that's equal to 5. Here we have seen that all the sides are equal to 5. Since all the sides are equal, it is a rhombus. 20th problem. L square minus a by 2 whole square, L square plus a by 2 whole square are three consecutive terms of an arithmetic sequence. What is the common difference? Slant height of a square pyramid is L and the base edge is A. What is the length of lateral edge? What is its height? The height of a square pyramid is root 15 centimeters and the lateral edge is root 19 centimeters. What is its slant height? If a by 2 whole square is added to L square minus a by 2 whole square, we get L square. Again, if we add a by 2 whole square to L square, we get L square plus a by 2 whole square. Therefore, the common difference of this sequence is a by 2 whole square. Let us take the slant height as L, base edge as A, lateral edge as E, and height as H. Then in every square pyramid, we can see a right angle triangle with sides E, L, and a by 2, where E is the hypotenuse. So we can say lateral edge is equal to root of L square plus a by 2 whole square. In the same way, we can see another right angle triangle with sides H, L and a by 2, where L is the hypotenuse. So we can say height is equal to root of hypotenuse square minus base square, or that is equal to root of L square minus a by 2 whole square. Now the third part. Height of a square pyramid is root 15 centimeters and lateral edge is root 19 centimeters. We have to find its slant height. We have seen that L square minus a by 2 whole square, L square and L square plus a by 2 whole square are consecutive terms of an arithmetic sequence. And we have also seen that L square minus a by 2 whole square is H square and L square plus a by 2 whole square is E square. So we can say H square, L square and E square are in arithmetic sequence, and again there are three consecutive terms of this arithmetic sequence. When we take three consecutive terms, we know the second term is half the sum of the other two terms. So we can say L square equal to h square plus c square by 2. Here h is root 15, so h square is 15, and e is root 19, so e square is 19. So L square is equal to 15 plus 19 by 2, that is 34 by 2 or 17. So L is equal to root of 17, that is lateral edge is equal to root 17 centimeters. 21st question. AB is the diameter of the circle. AB is extended to C and P is a point on the circle. Angle A equal to 40 degree. Find the measures of angle BPC, angle APC, angle C. If angle A equal to x, prove that angle C equal to 90 minus 2x. Let us look at the figure. We know in a circle the angle which a chord makes with the tangent at one end is equal to the angle which it makes on the other part of the circle. That means this is a chord, PB is a chord and PC is a tangent. So this angle is equal to this angle. Therefore, angle BPC equal to 40 degree. Now we have to find angle APC. This is angle APC. It can be written as angle APB plus angle BPC. Now what is angle APB? Given that AB is a diameter, therefore APB equal to 90 degree. And we have already got BPC as 40. So angle APC equal to 130 degree. Now we have to find angle C. Look at triangle APC. Sum of the three angles in any triangle is 180. Therefore angle C equal to 180 minus angle A plus angle APC. And it is given that angle A is 40 degree and we have got that angle APC equal to 130 degree. So it can be written as 180 minus 40 plus 130, or that is equal to 180 minus 170, that is equal to 10. That is angle C equal to 10 degree. Now if A equal to x, then we can say angle BPC also equal to x, and therefore angle APC equal to 90 plus x. Therefore the third angle, angle C of the triangle APC is equal to 180 minus angle A plus angle APC. That's equal to 180 minus x plus 90 plus x. X plus x equal to 2x. So we can write it as 180 minus 90 plus 2x. It can be written as 180 minus 90 minus 2x. 180 minus 90 is 90, so it can be written as 90 minus 2x. That is, if A equal to x, then angle C equal to 90 minus 2x.